hope you're all doing well. Well, before I start this class, I would like to mention that on the same platform we have started Urdu lectures. So if you happen to be the students of Urdu language, you must avail the opportunity of these classes that are already there, and these are taught by highly experienced teacher. Okay, so don't miss opportunity. As you know that we keep on providing educational content, especially vocabs and grammatical rules and regulation. So along with that, we have started Urdu lectures as well. So you will be getting that video as well. So if you have any special query regarding your question or maybe any kind of doubt, you must leave your query in the comment box. We will be working on that. So well, let's get started the class for which we have come here. Okay, so it is the class of substitution. So the very first substitution here is aborigines. Okay, aborigines, what does it mean? Original inhabitant of a country, that is called a native, okay, in another language. So native means Swadeshi. For example, if you are born in our country in India, so we are aborigines of this place because it is our native land. No matter whether you are living in America or London, France, or wherever you are living, but if you are born in country, original country, you are aborigines of that particular place. Okay, so let's understand more clearly in example. Mohan lives in Australia, but he is an aborigines of India. Okay, another word is abdication. What does it mean? The act of abdicating or stepping down from power or position or maybe post, like kings do and ministers do. So यानी राजगद्दी को त्याग देना, सिंहासन को त्याग देना, जैसे मंत्री वगैरह करते हैं कोई किंग वगैरह, तो उसी एक्ट को हम कहते हैं एब्डिकेशन. ओके, so in example you will understand. Ram performed abdication and geared up for exile. कि राम ने जो है सिंहासन को त्याग दिया और वनवास के लिए चले गए. ठीक है. Another word is ambiguous. Ambiguous means anything that is not clear, anything that has double meaning. Okay, it could be statement, it could be situation, it could be any kind of word. So like you can use that. My friend always uses ambiguous word, means it has double meaning, it is not clear. यानी द्विअर्थी जिसको कहते हैं अपनी भाषा में. ठीक है ना, उसे कहते हैं ambiguous. Another word is amnesia. Amnesia is पार्शियल और टोटल लॉस ऑफ मेमोरी, यानी याददाश्त का चला जाना, चाहे वो पार्शियल हो चाहे टोटल हो. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ एनी साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर. द रीजन कुड बी एनी. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज इट इन योर एग्जाम्पल दैट माई फ्रेंड वॉज ट्रैवलिंग टू वाराणसी. He met an accident unfortunately and lost his memory. Means he suffered amnesia. This is how you can use the word. So another word is amphibian. Amphibian means any kind of animals who can live on land, on the surface of land, as well as in water, like tadpoles, frogs and such other creatures, जिसको हम हिंदी में उभयचर कहते हैं, जो पानी में और ज़मीन पर भी रह सकते हैं. ठीक है, एम्फीबियन उसको कहते हैं. Another word is anarchy. Anarchy means the absence of government. When government totally fails in maintaining the law and order situation, यानी किसी स्टेट में, किसी राज्य में, किसी गवर्नमेंट में जब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन फेल हो जाती, देयर इज टोटल फेलियर. गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन. दिस स्टेट, दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन इज नोन एज एनार्की, अराजकता जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में. ठीक है. सो एग्जाम्पल में यूज कर सकते हो. इफ एनार्की इज एक्सरसाइज्ड in democratic country, people will not tolerate it. Okay, another word is annual. Is very common word you often hear. So annual means anything that happens yearly, that we call varshik, salana in Hindi or Urdu. Okay, so annual means that happens or may be conducted once in a year. Annual exam, annual function, annual celebration. Okay. Another word is antiseptic. Antiseptic, another word for antiseptic will be antidote, means any kind of medicine, lotion, even vaccine, your vaccination that lessens the effect of the poison. For example, if you have a snake bite, okay, and because of snake bite you need medicine, you need vaccine, because that vaccine will kill the impact of the poison. तो जिसको कहते हैं एंटीडोट, यानी जो पॉइजन के इफेक्ट को कम कर देती है, उसी को हम एंटीसेप्टिक कहते हैं। यानी क्रीम वगैरह भी आती है जो अप्लाई करने पे क्या करती है, वो बैक्टीरिया वगैरह को ख़त्म कर देती है, उससे लड़ने की जो है उसके अंदर इम्यूनिटी होती है। इस तरीके से उसको जो है फार्मूलेट किया जाता है। तो क्रीम हो सकती है, मेडिसिन हो सकती है, वैक्सीन हो सकती है, उसी को हम कहते हैं एंटीसेप्टिक। ओके, अनदर वर्ड इज एनोनिमस। एनोनिमस मीन्स विदाउट नेम, विदाउट आइडेंटिटी, बीइंग कंसील्ड। जब किसी चीज़ की या किसी व्यक्ति की आइडेंटिटी शनाख्त ना हो, विदाउट नेम हो, तो दिस इज वाई वी कॉल इट एनोनिमस। ओके, so you can say that I got a message. The message was anonymous, having no name. It doesn't feature or bear any name. Okay, or you can say that I got a gift, but the gift giver was not mentioned by name. It was anonymous totally. So this is how you can use the word. The final word that we will learn together here it is aquarium. Aquarium is a kind of tank, maybe it is made of glass or any other such metal, filled with water to rear different varieties of beautiful fishes, like you often see at home or in museum or in the shop. So that is what we call aquarium. So we often have aquarium at our home to beautify our houses or home. So these were the words that we learned. Hope you enjoyed this. So dear friends, if you need any kind of special video, so you must leave comment. We will be working on that. Keep learning like this and keep enjoying, because life is all about learning. Okay, so take care, bye bye, meet you soon.